water in a dry land. Oh. Ooh.
Where are we going? 30. For?
For somebody Nitu.
If any of you know Nitu, comment down below the comment section.
Thank you so much for joining. We're going to Kerala
For Nitu's wedding.
for Nitu's wedding. We just woke up now.
And it's very early morning. And look what we found. Some trees, some bushes. If you haven't seen this before, you can travel in a tree.
Good morning, everyone.
It's a beautiful morning. Everyone say hello. Wow, Mommy, a house. Houses are building also in. You have to guess the name in 10.
Like this.
Mommy, aside from this, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what did you spot? Tell me down below
In the comment section. In the comment, not subscription, in the comment section.
Mommy, I saw.
Hey guys. What's nice?
Sit back. You sit here. Yeah. Eat now.
I love it. It's lime.
Yeah.
Then which color did they put there?
Glass. Plastic. Plastic. Paper glass.